Look at there. This is amazing. They look like they're all still there. Let's count them, y'all. 4 and 4 is 8. She had about 8 or 9. They might have got one. It's a bunch of them. And look how fast they got so big already. Everybody been watching out for Mama Duck. Oh yeah, if they go too far, that's gonna be their ass. Let me say. If they go too far, that's it for them. These cats are on the prowl. Then all the birds there, I ain't got no seeds. Yeah, you're missing it, y'all. This bunch of them. It's beautiful out here, man. The sun's out. Look at my purple potatoes. Oh, man, I might water it again. I just put a little bit of water and the flowers are popping out. It's a bunch down there. You gotta know how to read your potatoes, y'all. Oh, come on, guys. Maybe I'm up too much. Oh, man, all praise to the Most High. I might water it later. This looks so beautiful, y'all, because I'm getting that sun is coming directly down on it. I'm so thankful. It's so nice. Just, oh, look at all the strawberries. Whoa. Can you see that? Look at all the strawberries. It's so many. I think this is like strawberry season here, because they said they had a strawberry festival. But look at there, guys. That attracts a lot of bees. I'm so happy. And I'm so thankful. It's really nice. I can't even get a Hot Wheels track up in this this little tunnel. I guess I can. I might still come out there. You ain't gonna be able to see the cars going through here. I might try to do something for the kids, some Pokemon, but you can barely see nothing. And then these leaves are kind of like got a lot of nice dew on there. So that helps this marsh that was planted. It helps it out a lot. You can't see the other side of the tunnel, guys. It's down there, though. There's the other exit to the tunnel. And then this tunnel's all right over here. Strawberry patch. Strawberries coming out of everywhere. Can you see that? They're itty bitty, though. But they're coming out. And this vine here looks like even more strawberries. So that's really nice. And the mint is spectacular, of course. That's all praise to the Most High. Potatoes, everything coming out so nice, y'all. What happened to the heat wave? And what about the lady? Let's check out her little garden thing she got. She finds little stuff. She just used to be homeless and now she's not. So the cats aren't bothering it, so that's nice. You know, I know where she got these little wood chippings from, but to me it's beautiful. See there, she could have took care of her squash she had. Because sometimes the food bank gives out those squash and different plants. Those are good. They really grew last year. I just need a little water for the wildflowers. There's a big thing of water right there. These potatoes, I wasn't looking for these, but the wildflowers are going to really spread out. Oh, come on. Look at this one, y'all. You see there? All the other plants is down there, but they don't flower until they pop out of this thing, so they're trying their best to pop out. That's pretty cool. Yeah, they're trying their best to pop out and stuff. So, it's some people, man. They just moved in here. They like moved off the street. And then this lady over here, she has a dog. They are so dirty and nasty. And that dog tried to walk up and come up on me. I said, lady, you better get the heck out of here, man. With your dog. They're filthy. I don't know how these two people moved into that building. But they did. They're in there and they look creepy as they can be. Look at this big old pretty strawberry sitting right there. It's tiny, but it's good. A little sweet, not too bad. Look at this one. Better than any store. soft. And middle, maybe mid-sweet. Garden's beautiful. I love these flowers, how they came up. They're just gonna keep coming up. All praise to the Most High. Then look at these that I planted. That was always so lovely. But they're dying, but they're still there. And then let me check this guy. Some homeless guy living in a shelter. He put his chair here, and I guess he sits here and meditates and sits. But he doesn't bother the plants, but he sits here. Now these wildflowers here that was in this, they didn't come up. The shoot came up fine, and still wildflowers are coming up. So I don't know. That's kind of unusual. Sorry though, the hummingbirds, those aren't working out so well. I may change them. I've been so busy, but one of the feeders fell, so I may try to do them again. The hummingbirds, man, you see hummingbirds, man, those are beautiful. All right, just a quick one. I'll praise the Most High.